How to log in Amazon Prime Video account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Amazon Prime Video account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Amazon Prime Video application on your device. You will be led to the login portal of Amazon Prime Video. If you do not have an account, then you can tap on the Create Account option and create an account. And if you already have an account, then go ahead and enter your email or phone number and tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password. Just in case, if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password button and reset your password. Once you have entered your password, tap on the Sign In button. You will then be asked to enter the code sent to the email address you just entered. So, enter the verification code and tap on the Submit Code button, and with this, you will be successfully signed in to Amazon Prime Video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.